Growing spinach in your garden is an easy and rewarding experience. In this video, we'll show you the proper steps on how to grow spinach in your own backyard. Firstly, it's important to plant your spinach in the right season. Spinach is a cool weather crop and can be sown in early spring or late summer. In areas with mild winters, spinach can also be planted in the fall. Make sure to choose a spot in your garden with partial shade to protect the spinach from direct sunlight. Next, you'll need to prepare the soil. Spinach prefers well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. It's advised to add compost or aged manure to the soil before planting. Make sure the soil is moist, but not waterlogged. It's important to keep the spinach well watered. Watering your plants once or twice a week should be enough, but it's important to pay attention to the weather. During hot weather, spinach leaves tend to wilt more, so increase watering frequency to avoid drying out. When planting spinach, it's important to space the plants properly. Plant seeds about 2.5 centimeters apart, and space rows roughly 35 to 40 centimeters apart. This will ensure your spinach plants have enough room to grow. Harvesting spinach can be done as soon as the leaves are large enough to pick. Pick the outside leaves first, leaving the smaller ones in the middle to continue growing. Spinach can be eaten raw in salads, as a side dish, or cooked as a main ingredient in many dishes. It's a great source of vitamins and minerals. Some common problems you may encounter when growing spinach include pests like aphids or spider mites. These can be controlled with insecticidal soap or a mixture of water and white vinegar. Fungal diseases like powdery mildew can also be prevented by ensuring proper spacing between plants and proper watering. Spinach can be grown in a variety of climates as long as temperatures don't exceed 25 degrees Celsius. Spinach leaves are packed with nutrients and it's an easy vegetable to grow. It's delicious, healthy, and versatile, making it a great addition to any garden. In conclusion, growing spinach is an easy and rewarding way to add fresh produce to your backyard. Follow these simple steps and you'll be enjoying your homegrown spinach in no time.